Symphony of nature. Upon the golden canvas of the dawn, the sun paints hues of red and orange on. A masterpiece in the sky, ever bright, guiding us with its radiant light. The gentle breeze whispers in the trees, whispering secrets carried on the breeze. Leaves dance and sway, a joyful display. Nature's orchestra in perfect sway. The flowers bloom with vibrant grace. Petals unfurl, a colorful embrace. Their fragrant scents fill the air, a sweet symphony beyond compare. The river flows, a winding stream, reflecting the sunlight's gleaming beam. Its melody of babbling waters, soothing souls, like a lullaby to daughters. In meadows green, where creatures roam, life finds its rhythm, a harmonious tone. Birds sing melodies, pure and true. Their songs carry hope, for me and you. As twilight falls, the stars emerge, glimmers of hope in the universe. They twinkle, shining oh so bright, guiding us through the darkest night. In nature's embrace, we find solace, a sanctuary from the world's malice. For in its beauty and grand design, we witness miracles, truly divine. So let us cherish nature's gifts, the wonder and awe that our spirits uplift. For in its embrace, we find our place, a reminder of life's eternal grace. If you enjoyed this poem, please like, share and subscribe.